The joy and gladness feel on my daughter's face after doing her hair was inexplicable. Guys, take a look at this hair for her birthday and tell me what you all think. If you want to know how I did this, stay tuned and let's go.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
So Estella's birthday was on the 26th of January. So I did this hair on the 25th of January, like overnight. And this is me showing you. So I use a hair conditioner and also I use some water mixed in with conditioner to detangle her hair, and I use this gel to actually braid, and I also use edge control. So these are the things you need to actually braid your hair or your daughter's hair if at all you want to try it out. So first of all, I had to spray and spray and spray to detangle her hair a little bit. She's having a 4C hair, and trust me, it's not easy to manage, but then you have to do this if your daughter has a 4C hair. And sometimes I feel like her hair is not growing, but it is growing, so I have to braid 2 ponytails. She loves ponies, so I decided to braid it like that. And you're gonna see how I came up with this. It wasn't easy, but I had to try to do that. At some point she wanted to give up, so first of all I had to slay the hair and part it in the middle. Guys, it's not easy finding the right spot in the middle of a baby's hair, even your hair, So this is what I did. It took me like 15 minutes to actually find the right spot in the middle. So all I had to do was just keep promising her that I was gonna give her or put her ponytail. So she accepted, and then I was done with that. And so now I had to slay it and part the hair and try to braid, okay, and try to also twist and braid it on one side. So take a look at this, see what I'm doing. So this took me about 10 more minutes, guys. It's not easy. It wasn't easy actually coming up with this. And for a kid to actually sit down like this and for all this while wasn't an easy thing. I kept promising and promising and promising and promising and promising, and I'm glad she actually succumbed to it. So that's the first part. Trying to braid. Please just stay tuned and see how I'll do this. So at this point, she fell asleep. Yeah, it wasn't an easy day for her. This actually took me about 3 hours to finish her hair, So she wasn't really getting it easy, but she loved it anyways. So she fell asleep, and this is the best time to do her hair when she's asleep. When she was younger, I will always let her fall asleep first before I do her hair. So when she wakes up, everything is okay. So I had to struggle, trying. You can see it wasn't easy. She woke up already and she didn't actually want to sit down anymore. She tried. She really tried her best. But then I kept promising, don't worry, it's a pony, it's a pony, it's a pony. You're gonna have everything to yourself. Just keep going. And yeah, this is how I managed to do it. So please stay tuned. We're rounding up, and yeah. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do go ahead, subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, comment down below if you're gonna try it on someone's head or your daughter's hair. Just comment down below and tell me if I did a great job. Rate my work with your phone battery. Just rate my work with your phone battery. I will be so happy to hear from you. All right. And also, you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and also on Facebook. Just go ahead, click Queen Estella on Facebook, and also Peck Skincare on Instagram, and you will see me there. So guys, stay tuned and see how we wrap this up. I'm rounding up and I'm done. Take a look at your girl. She can't wait to show off her ponytail. Guys, rate me with your phone battery. Okay, she was so happy, and I'm glad she was happy as well. So this is what we did. This is the finishing of our beautiful hair. Just tell me what you think down below. And yeah, that's the back. Tell me what you think down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end. And this is still Estella with her Elsa costume. Was her birthday, her third birthday, and she was so happy in this costume. Yeah, my daughter's 3. All right, guys, stay tuned. Bye.